How to change your name on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your name on TikTok. So let's get started. You will open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone and I'll show you how to change your name. So just go to your profile and you will get right here. In order to change your name, click on Edit Profile. Here you can see it shows you your name and username as well. To change your name, click right here. And now we can type whatever we want to type as a name. So you can see I have typed in a new name. Click on save and your name will be changed. You can also change your username. So click on username and now you can change your name as well. Make sure your username contains only letter, number, and underscores and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. So here again, you will just type in whatever you want to type, click on save, and your username will be changed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.